Master, how many kilometers has this car driven? 50,000. Come to clean the water tank today. How does this car drive? The chassis is very solid and the accelerator and brakes are both good. It is a state of zero delay. It travels very fast and is very stable on the highway. Have you driven other electric vehicles before? The comparison given by bid is still a bit inferior. There is a bit of a gap in battery life. How is the battery life now? Outperformed the performance. The weather outperformed the performance. No problem. Now the performance is 390. How much can I actually run? Actually, if I run in the city, I can run 423, which is more than the performance. It will definitely be no problem, because my number only has 10 or more 11 batteries. Normally it is 12 batteries. If you run 11 batteries, I can't use 12 batteries. Maybe I have less footwork. So I think its battery life is still very solid. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Chan Chan. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Chan Chan.